Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to see about facts about deers. Deer belong to the family Cervidae and are part of the order Artiodactyla, which includes even-toed ungulates. There are around 50 species of deer found across the world, with the majority inhabiting North America, Europe, and Asia. Male deer are called bucks, stags, or bulls, while females are known as does or hinds. Young deer are referred to as fawns. The size and appearance of deer species vary significantly. The smallest deer, such as the pudu, stand about 12 to 14 inches tall, while the largest, like the moose, can reach up to 7 feet in height at the shoulder. Most male deer grow antlers, which are made of bone and shed and regrow annually. The growth of antlers is influenced by hormonal changes and day length. Female reindeer, or caribou in North America, also grow antlers, and they are the only deer species where both sexes possess them. The shedding and regrowth of antlers serve various purposes, including mating displays and combat during the breeding season, also known as the rut. Deer have keen senses, including excellent hearing and a keen sense of smell, which help them detect predators and locate food. Deer have specialized stomachs that allow them to digest cellulose, a complex carbohydrate found in plants. Deer are primarily herbivores, feeding on a wide range of vegetation, including grasses, leaves, twigs, fruits, and berries. The mating season, or rut, is a crucial period for deer, during which males compete for mates and establish dominance through displays and battles. Deer have developed various forms of communication, including vocalizations, body postures, and scent marking, to communicate with each other. Deer are known for their ability to run at high speeds, with some species, like the white-tailed deer, capable of reaching speeds of up to 30 to 35 miles per hour. Deer are excellent swimmers and can cross bodies of water when necessary. They have large eyes positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them a broad field of view to detect potential predators. The fawn's reddish-brown coat provides camouflage in forested areas, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings and avoid predators. Fawns are born with white spots on their back and sides, which also aids in camouflage. Deer are known for their leaping ability and can jump heights of up to 8 feet and lengths of up to 30 feet in a single bound. In areas where deer populations are abundant, they can have a significant impact on the vegetation through overgrazing. Deer are considered a keystone species in some ecosystems, meaning they play a crucial role in maintaining the balance and health of their habitat. While deer are primarily browsers, they may also graze on grasses, especially during the winter months when other food sources are scarce. Deer have scent glands on their lower legs and between their hooves, which they use to mark their territory and communicate with other deer. Deer use their sense of smell to detect potential predators, find food, and communicate with other deer. Deer have an excellent sense of hearing, allowing them to detect even the slightest sounds made by potential threats. Bucks use their antlers during the rut to compete for mating opportunities with females. The antlers of deer continue to grow throughout the summer and are shed during the winter. After shedding their antlers, deer grow a new set, which typically starts as soft cartilage and eventually hardens into bone. The velvet covering on developing antlers provides nutrients and blood supply, facilitating their growth. Deer use their antlers not only for combat but also for establishing dominance and social status among other males. In some species, male deer form bachelor groups outside of the breeding season. The gestation period for deer varies between species but generally lasts between 6 to 9 months. Fawns are typically born in the spring or early summer, and female deer usually give birth to 1 or 2 fawns at a time. Deer are known to be cautious and can exhibit flight responses when they sense danger. Deer have specialized adaptations to help them survive in their specific habitats, such as hooves designed for different terrains and climates. In times of scarcity, deer can enter a state of torpor or reduced metabolic activity to conserve energy. Some deer species have developed unique behaviors to avoid predation, such as the stotting behavior, where they leap into the air with all 4 feet simultaneously to signal to predators that they are strong and healthy, making them less desirable prey. the introduction of non-native deer species to new habitats has had significant ecological impacts in some regions, affecting native vegetation and other wildlife. Deer are ruminants, meaning they have a four-chambered stomach that allows them to digest plant material through fermentation. Some species of deer have adaptations that help them survive in cold climates, such as thick fur and a thick layer of fat for insulation. The elk, also known as wapiti, is one of the largest species of deer and is native to North America and parts of Asia. The reindeer/caribou is the only deer species in which both males and females grow antlers. Some species of deer are solitary, while others are social and form herds. Deer are primarily active during the early morning and late afternoon, resting during the hottest parts of the day. Deer have a natural predator-prey relationship with carnivores such as wolves, coyotes, and big cats. However, their keen senses and agility make them challenging prey. The conservation status of deer varies between species. While some, like the white-tailed deer, are abundant and have stable populations, others, such as the Eld's deer, are classified as endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Deer have played a significant role in human culture, mythology, and art for thousands of years. They are often symbolically associated with traits such as grace, gentleness, and spirituality. In some cultures, deer have been revered as sacred animals, while in others, they are hunted for their meat and antlers. The economic value of deer extends beyond hunting, as deer farming for venison and antler products is also practiced in some regions. Deer are highly adaptable animals, able to inhabit a wide range of environments, from forests and grasslands to mountains and deserts. The loss of natural habitats due to human activities is a major threat to many deer species. Road collisions with deer are common in areas where human development encroaches upon deer habitats. Deer populations are carefully managed in many regions to balance ecological concerns, prevent overgrazing, and reduce the risk of collisions with vehicles. The white-tailed deer is the official state animal of several U.S. states, including Arkansas, Illinois, Michigan, Mississippi, Nebraska, New Hampshire, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and South Carolina. Deer are known to be curious animals and may approach humans, especially in areas where they are accustomed to human presence and have little fear. However, it is essential to respect their space and keep a safe distance, as they are wild animals and can be unpredictable. In conclusion, deer are remarkable animals that have adapted to various environments and play essential roles in the ecosystems they inhabit. Their grace, beauty, and significance in human culture make them a captivating and cherished part of the natural world.